Did you see it? That thunderstorm, the one that was over parts of Cameron County earlier today. Pretty hefty little thunderstorm fired up right around Los Fresnos, Old Mito, Rancho Viejo, that area. Watch and you'll see it. It was during the lunch hour. It started right about here and then just kind of spread down toward the river and then went away. But it came down pretty hard for a time in that area. The Doppler radar is estimating about 2 inches of rain right here where Highway 100 meets I-69E. You can see it rained there for quite a while before fading away. But that hopefully opening the door a little bit, at least kind of nudging through it to try to bring enough tropical moisture in for a shower or two. All that's left on the radar now is this one little thunderstorm in southern Brooks County off to the west of Encino. There's a little lightning in it, but not much. You see the movement of it is off to the west and northwest. Now remember, the movement of the storm was to the west-northwest. But look how the top of the clouds all gets pushed down to the south. That's because they get high enough in the atmosphere and the winds are still strongly out of the north, and that just pushes all those clouds southward. So some of these clouds will come across Hidalgo County later on this evening, but it's just leftover stuff. There's not much more rain out there to be found this evening. I think that cell up in Brooks County should be about it. Tomorrow the sea breeze will try to activate again. Like today, very isolated activity, not widespread, but lunchtime or so, a little after, a couple of folks could see a shower, maybe a brief thunderstorm, and then by tomorrow evening it's gone again. Saturday, same kind of thing. We're not putting the sea breeze on here, but you kind of see the line of clouds right here, so there's potential for that again on Saturday and really each of the next several days now. We've just kind of nudged the high a little bit to the north, allowing moisture to come around the south side of it, and that gives us isolated showers. We're still mainly dry. Like today, most of the valley was dry, but that one little area down in Cameron County, there were a couple other spots, one out by the coast, another up in Port Mansfield where there was a little rain today, just inland from Port Mansfield. These are the current temperatures. Everybody's back in the 90s except Port Isabel, where it's 88 right now. It did go over 100 in the western part of the valley. We had some record highs set again today, and it still feels like it's over 100 in most locations. Feels like it's 111 right now in McAllen. It is hot out there. Low temperature tonight, upper 70s, low 80s tomorrow. Right back up over 100 in the west again, 90s in the east. If you're lucky enough to get rain on, it may cool you off temporarily, but we're still at 98, 98, 97. But at least we're not pushing the records anymore, at least not here in the Mid-Valley. Big thunderstorms firing up in North Texas today. Quick look up there shows how Dallas is under severe thunderstorm warning. So our areas back to the west of Wichita Falls, some strong storms up there, but they'll stay up there. For us, we're just watching for isolated stuff on the sea breeze. Tonight, partly cloudy, warm, humid, 78. Tomorrow, we're back up to 98. Not putting the thunder shower in here, but I think there's about a 5% chance something will be out there. And when I say that, it's more like 5% of the valley will see a thunder shower tomorrow. Everybody else is dry, and we stay mainly dry for the next 7 days, but each of those days, it's possible the sea breeze could trigger something, but nothing widespread. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.